In this video, we are going to transform this static spaceship image into a viral Instagram post. Let's get started. First, create a new design in Canva. I'm going to create a portrait Instagram post, but you can follow with whatever dimensions suit your format of choice. Now, with your new design open, navigate to the left sidebar and open the image tool. In the search field, type in Spaceship Launch and select an image to suit your design. Then, hold Alt on your keyboard and enlarge the image so it covers the entirety of the canvas. With the image selected, navigate to the top menu and open the Edit Photo panel, like so. Next, we need to select the Pro-featured tool called Magic Grab. This AI feature in Canva will automatically separate the main subject from the background of the image. Now, let's add a title. From the left sidebar, open the text tool, click on Add a Heading, and then type your title into the text box. Let's change the font to something more chunky. For this example, I am using the Horizon font. Adjust the sizing of the font and change the color to white, so it contrasts with the background. Let's add some animations. Open the Position tab from the top menu and select the Layers panel so we can access each layer of the design. Select the background layer, then hold Alt and enlarge it so we have some room to animate the movement of the image. Be sure to position the bottom of the layer to the base of the canvas, like so. Now, open the Animation panel. For this layer, we are going to give it a custom animation. Select the Create an Animation button. Then, hold Shift on your keyboard and drag from top to bottom, like so. Under Movement Styles, select Smooth to give the animation a smooth movement, then click Done. Open the Layers panel again and select the spaceship layer. Open the Animation tab and select the baseline animation. Move the speed parameter all the way to the bottom and make sure the On Enter option is selected. Now let's animate the title. Select the layer and open the Animation panel again and give this layer a drift animation. Under Direction, select the down arrow like so. At this point, you can adjust the positioning of the title layer. For added 3D effect, move it behind the spaceship layer like so. Now let's add another page. Select this button and with the new page open, change the background color to black or whatever your preferred color is. Add some large chunky text. In this case, it's the Anton font. It's easier to adjust the sizing if you enter each word as its own layer, like so. Next, enter a call to action in this empty space. To give extra contrast, I'm going to use a serif font and change the color to one that pops from the other colors on the page. With the text layer selected, open the Effects panel and select the Lift effect. I am also going to adjust the spacing so it fits better. Now give the layer a typewriter animation and make sure On Enter is selected. Let's add one more page, give it a black background color like before, and write your website URL in the center of the page using the same serif font as before. Open the Animations panel and give the text layer a neon animation. Time to add some music. Open the audio panel from the left sidebar. For this example, I am using this track by Heirloom and Indigo. drag the music onto the timeline like so. Then, with the audio track selected, select the Beat Sync function and click on Sync Now. This function ensures that all pages are in sync with the beat of the music. Finally, let's adjust the call to action layer so it appears later than the other text. Right-click on the layer and select Show Timing. Move the starting point so it appears later than the other layers. Then open the audio panel again, filter for effects, and search for a typing effect. Insert it into the timeline, then crop it and reposition it so it appears at the start of the CTA layer. Now let's preview the finished product.